Medyo sad girl si Callie pero buti na lang nadaanan namin itong Mr. Fluffy the Cotton Candy Company. Talaga nagtwinkle yung eyes niya when she saw this at ito na sanang bucket yung bibilhin namin pero nakita ko merong available na mga ganitong designs kaya this is what we'll get. Pinili niya yung B na design and ito nga pala yung prices nila. They also offer party services. Pause nyo na lang kung interested kayo sa rates and they have here the contact number if you want to avail their service. Anyways, look at Callie's face. Sobrang excited siya. I told her to watch and wait for the magic to begin kasi all this time akala ko parang bubuyog talaga yung gagawin na cotton candy. Ang aliw niya panoorin habang ginagawa, lalo na siguro kung yung flower design yung pinili namin. But since yung bubuyog nga yung gusto ni Callie, then this is what she'll get. Pero alam nyo, nung medyo nabubuo na yung cotton candy, nagtataka ako bakit parang iba. Nagtanong pa nga si Callie bakit daw hindi yellow yung kinakalabasan. Tapos sabi ko, wait ka lang babe, trust the process. Uy, pero never talaga siya naging full yellow B. Kasi yung napili pala niya normal cotton candy ball lang na may ididikit na B design.